changing this from 6 months to 3 months. You know what? Fuck it. It was this.
You're touching it more.
Is what I sprayed outside the van, and you wouldn't believe, the wind just right into the door. Quick little Sunday morning farmer's market. Are we looking for anything in particular?
Yeah, something yummy.
Something what? Something yummy?
Yeah.
That's Athena's favorite. Mushrooms. As much as I would love to talk about laundry and pepper spray all day, we got bigger fish to fry. Let me show you. See, we're changing this from 6 months to 3 months, and that's a really big deal. Help us, Crystal. While we wait for Crystal, let me fill you in. We've always kind of known for a while that people want on-demand videos from us. They want to pay like 1/10 of what they're currently paying to get one video, and they want to do it when they want it. So we've always kind of been moving from this like long-term subscription agency thing to something that's more consumer friendly, like one-off videos. So we've always been making this move, and what I liken it to is airplanes, right? Or Uber, the black model, the luxury model. The premium things that at first kind of fund the consumer stuff like Uber X or Uber Pool. I say airplanes because like, business class is funding Coach. Subscriptions are nice and all, wait for it, but we mostly just use them so that we have some forecastability and so we have some cash flow so that we can, hire and expand and grow. Now that we've gotten to that place, it's a matter of like, how do we drive costs down to zero? How do we build out our Uber X so that anybody, anywhere can get our video editors for $90 instead of $9,000? So we've gone from 6 month subscription today to 3 month, and now we're testing a little bit of like, what happens if we sell a $295 video or a package of 10 of those videos? We're getting there, and it's exciting, but consumer and all the moving parts with like on-demand one-off videos is a whole different beast. So we're just trying to take our time and not put the cart before the horse. That's Crystal. No luck. No luck. Crystal. No luck. It's nighttime now, officially. We can't get a tow out here because it's Sunday. Me and Crystal and Athena, we really think it's a fuel pump thing, or maybe a computer thing that's not letting fuel pump to the engine. 3 month subscription was pretty good, but between the pepper spray and this, I've had some pretty bad luck today, so I think we gotta call it here. I hope you kick ass this week. That's what I hope. See you tomorrow, I think. Ken.